Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka State Bank of India main branch Shillong, kabaran hapo kani kanong ba Shillong, henne kasngi ka arpsan terik uyayong, kalano snyang dakaway ka bus siya ka school ba North Eastern Hill University. Nakabanta banis siya balik on iksamla puli kiba puli hakani ka school ba, kiba siyang basa hakaleng kanong ba Shillong. Yakani ka bus hakani kasngi la IT si kibor punya jong ka school ba nehu daw Director General Manager jong ka State Bank of India Rajiv Arora. But yakani ka bus la IT siya Vice Chancellor jong ka school ba nehu Professor SK Srivastava. Hakaje lang ka balengkot ringkat kajing sakhilang jong Registrar kanehu JN Nayak Regional Manager jong ka SBI G Vijay Kumar Chief Manager jong ka SBI nehu branch Sibaji Sarkar but kiwe de kinu hikai jong ka school ba nehu.
I'm from Sri Oh, right.
This is a proud privilege that we have this function in our campus where the State Bank of India has, so to say, donated. I should not use the word, I have been asked, that contributed by SBI. This idea came to us because when we were trying to get new buses from UGC, Government of India told very categorically that you are not allowed to purchase new vehicles. Only against replacement we can purchase. That time SBI came as a succor to this institution. When we were handing over some papers of pension to the senior officials of SBI, that time we requested that we are sending a proposal asking for 2 number of buses. Fortunately, we got the check within 3 months. But unfortunately, we could not purchase the bus in time due to another condition the Government of India imposed, that whatever new vehicles you are going to purchase, it must be BS4 compliant. So we did not want to purchase a bus having the old system. So we wanted that we should go with a bus which will be environment friendly, eco-friendly. So that is why we waited for another 3 months. Then we got this bus, and this is the first plot that we received from Tata Motors in Shillong. So we are highly thankful to SBI. Because of them only we could have a new bus. So at this stage I can simply give a big thanks, and from our side once again join your hands to SBI, and I am sure our cooperation will continue in the same way.
Though this is a small step in this great endeavor of service to the community, but I consider it as a giant step kind of thing, and I really appreciate the State Bank of India for considering Nehu for this great contribution. These days sometimes we do talk about in our academic meetings under UGC there is something called corporate social responsibility. I mean, they are very conscious, the State Bank of India is really conscious about their responsibility to the community where they are serving, and they have really done so. Once again, we are thankful to them.